Hey guys, it's your girl Zoeshaaa, and I'm back today with another DIY video for you guys, just in time for the holiday season. It's only a week away from Christmas, so this video is especially for people who are short on cash and they need to get some Christmas gifts. This will be actually a perfect gift for either a male or female. This is also a gift for anybody who could be a gift for anybody who wants to give something creative or a little personalized. And also, if you're going to any holiday parties and you need a last minute outfit, this could also work for you as well. So stay tuned, because in this video, we're going to learn how to make cheap and affordable, yet very, very, very cute Christmas ugly sweaters. So if you fit into that category and if you want to learn how to make these sweaters, stay tuned and continue to watch. Foremost, what you are going to need for this DIY is a sweater. Now, for your sweater, it can either be something like what I have, a plain sweater, or it can be something that already has a design on it and you can just add on additional things to spruce it up. But first and foremost, that's what you are going to need. You're also going to need a glue gun. And depending on how many sweaters you are going to be making or how many objects you're going to be adding to your sweater, you're going to need tons and tons and tons of glue sticks. You may or may not need scissors, but it is good to have them handy just in case, because you never know, your ideas may change on what it is that you want to do with your sweater. But keep these handy because you may or may not need them. Also, if you are a freak like me and you need everything to be perfect, you may want to use needle and thread just to keep everything together. The glue gun may hold your items in place, but I guess then again, depending on the way that you are going to be making your sweater, I would just keep these just to sew in some things onto your sweater just to make sure everything is secure. So needle and thread, I use it. You don't have to, but this is what I'm going to be using. And then, as always, for the fun part, you are going to need some decoration. So I have here a sheet of snow. I have some ornaments here. I have some glitter letters. I have a package of bows, and I have some garland. So let's go and get into the DIY. Disclaimer, I would also suggest that you guys get some form of cardboard or something that can go underneath the sweater so that it doesn't stick, that the front and the back of the sweater don't stick together. So what the cardboard does is it collects the glue or whatever it is. Well, not whatever it is. It collects the glue. It holds the glue onto the cardboard so it doesn't get to the back of the sweater, so that your sweater is closed shut. You want to be able to get into your sweater, or if you're giving it as a gift, you want to be able you want the person that you're giving the sweater to be able to get into their sweater. Now we can go and get into the DIY. I want it to be a tree on some snow. So in order for me to add the snow, I want to add the snow to the bottom of the sweater. Now, the thing is, I want that when the person puts it on, that it's not tight around their waist. So you kind of got to stretch out your sweaters to as far as they go. If you're going to be adding anything around the bottom, if you're going to be adding anything around the neck, and if you're going to be adding anything around the arms, you want to make sure that it is stretched out as far as it can go, and then you add on your decoration. Because if you add it on like this and you add it on tight, it's going to be like this when they want to put it onto their hand, right? And we don't want that. So stretch it out first, then you add on, like for instance, if you're going to be adding on garland onto the hand, then you add that on there, so that when they put it on, it's, they're able to get their hand through. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the bottom right here. I'm going to stretch this out, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my snow. So I just bought this big sheet of snow from the dollar store. I'm just going to cut it to the size that I want. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue it on to my sweater. And it's an ugly sweater, right? So it doesn't necessarily have to be perfect in measurement, in size. That's the whole point. It's an ugly sweater. So I got one for the front. I'm just gonna cut out another one for, actually, I don't want any on the back. So, just gonna add that, like that. And then all that I do is just take the glue gun and just add my glue. And this is why I said you're gonna need a lot of glue sticks, because it does require a lot of glue if that's the route that you're going. So guys, yeah, so just make sure that you add on your glue, and that when you add on your glue, you try to paste down whatever it is that you are attempting to paste down as soon as your glue is added on, because when this dries, it's going to be very hard for it to stick together. Okay? And that's pretty much, you guys, all that it really takes to make an ugly sweater. It's just all about coming up with a design and just gluing it or sewing it down onto the sweater. Now, if you're not really good with coming up with ideas, I mean, that's fine. If you want to get a sweater that already has something on it and then you just add your own little flair to it, you could do that as well. Me, I think too much, so I had a whole bunch of visions, right? So I think that's good for my snow. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the excess. Not to cut the sweater. I kind of want to spruce it out just a little bit. Let it really look like snow. Right? There you have it. There's the snow. Right? See? It's already almost done. All right, so next I'm going to attempt to make my tree. And I say attempt because, again, I ain't never made no tree. Go ahead and just glue down. I believe this is the center. It's going to be the top of my tree. See you guys, there I have my Christmas tree and I got my snow. I'm gonna go on and add my ornaments and stuff. I don't think I really need to show you guys what more you guys need to do, because again, it all comes down to what decoration it is that you guys want to place onto your sweaters. And yeah, for the most part, you're gonna be gluing your stuff down. And again, I said the needle and thread is pretty much just to secure everything in place. So come on, behave. You guys always embarrassing me when I'm recording and stuff. What's wrong with y'all? Shoot. So yeah, I'll be back to show you guys my finished sweater products. And yeah, so I'll see you guys back here in a little bit. Okay. Hey guys, so this is the DIY ugly sweater that I just made for you guys. Here's my snow, here's my tree, and for my ornaments, this is where the needles came in, the needle and the thread, because I sewed these on. See? They cannot come off. I sewed these on, even though these are glued on, these really can't come off unless you really, really pull hard. And like, I'm just gonna, write a little note, do not wash or wash by hand, but I mean, it's only once a year that you really wear ugly sweaters. So I guess this is okay, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the DIY. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, this DIY on making ugly sweaters. And I hope that, again, if you made this for yourself, that you have an amazing time at your holiday party. If you're giving this as a gift, I hope that whoever you're giving it to really, really, really enjoys it and appreciates it. There's so much fun. You can personalize them for every person that you want to give them to, or again, even for yourself, and they're very cheap and affordable. Everything that I bought for my Christmas sweaters, I purchased at a local dollar store. So, I mean, I think I only spent about like $10 on things that I needed to add on to my sweaters. And the sweaters itself, they were all under $10. So, I mean, it's very affordable. It's a very cheap. And again, they're very fun and they're very cute. Everybody, I think, wants an ugly sweater. So I hope this DIY was helpful for you guys. I really, really, really do appreciate you guys watching, supporting. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked the video. Leave a comment below letting me know what you thought about the DIY and any other topics that you would like for me to touch on for future DIYs. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channels for more videos like this. And I hope you guys have yourselves a very, very, very happy holiday. And yeah. Thanks again for watching. Bye.